G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggnog fudge. This should be yum, cool and awesome. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Alrighty then. So we'll get a saucepan, get about 85 grams of butter, just chuck it in. If you want to use unsalted butter, you can, then you'd put in a little bit of salt, but I'm using salted butter, so I don't need that. Then about 17 ounces, which is about 482 grams of icing sugar, powdered sugar, confectionery sugar. Chuck that in. Quarter of a cup of eggnog, which is about 60 mils or so. I'm going to add a dash more because that is my want. Teaspoon of vanilla extract, yummy. Maybe a dash more because I feel generous. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, quite a lot, and a little bit more because yum. And a little bit of ground nutmeg, about a pinch or two, nothing too dramatic. Yum. Now turn your heat, or your heat, maybe not your heat, but your heat, onto low. We're just going to heat this up and get it to be one with itself. Use a whisk, mix it through, it'll be all good. Just want to get rid of all the lumps, and then we can put it in a baking tray, which either spray it or line it with baking paper. You can use aluminium foil, but I mean aluminium foil is not great to be using. Shouldn't use that. We'll see what this does. Give it a whisk to heat that butter. Starting to take a little bit of shape. Except the butter hasn't really melted enough yet, but we'll get there. Just keep stirring. We'll get there. Even though I've made this before, I just realized that when I normally make it, I normally at least double it, the recipe. So because I haven't doubled it, I don't think I'm going to bother putting it in a baking tray. I'm going to put it in something like this. That'll work out well. But if you want to make a lot more than what I did, double it, use a baking tray or whatever. I mean, it's a really nice little thing. I might have to change channel name to the Angry Chef if I can't get these out. Oh, it's already starting to congeal a bit. What the? What? What the? Oh, come on, you mochi man. Well, that just looks like a big knocked. Oh, son of a maraca. Angry Chef almost activated. These ones are good. Those are good until I got to there, and then it's put these in the fridge for about 4 hours and we'll see what happens and if I can get them out. If not, there's going to be a tantrum. Alrighty then, they look excelente. So if you want, what I like to do is put a little bit of nutmeg on top. Just because I can. You don't have to put any on if you don't wish. Just add something to it, and a little bit of cinnamon if you desire. Why I'm doing this? No idea. Bob's your uncle. How good's that? Well, you'll never know unless you actually make it yourself. But it is good. Oh, it is good. Sorry guys, but I accidentally hit slow-mo, so everything I say, there's nothing. So enjoy.
Simple